Dear students, today we will study mathematics. The chapter is linear equation in two variables or simultaneous equation. This equation has two variables x or y. Therefore, if there is two variables, two equations will be needed for their solutions. The linear equation in two variables are also called simultaneous equations. What is simultaneous? What is a linear equation in two variable? An equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variable. Here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a cannot be 0, b cannot be 0, c may be 0, may not be 0. Why a is not 0? If we take a equal to 0, means this term will become 0 and it will be not a equation in two variables, but it will be equation in one variable or simple equation. Same thing happen if we take b equal to 0. Therefore, neither a equal to 0 nor b equal to 0. This x and y are two variables. Therefore, to solve such equation, at least two equations are needed. They are together called system of linear equation or simultaneous equation, like a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This system of these linear equation in two variables is together called simultaneous equation. The equation may be solvable or insolvable. Solvable means consistent. Insolvable मतलब they cannot be solved, they are inconsistent. If we draw their graph inconsistent, it will be parallel. The two lines will be parallel. And if the consistent, there are two cases arise. Number one, the two lines coincide each other. This means every point of the two lines are solution set. Thus, this has infinite or many solutions. And if it is consistent and cut at least one point, the point of it, the coordinate of point of intersection of the two lines will be solution set. Next, we will see the conditions that determines whether the system of equations is consistent or inconsistent. But before it, I am going to erase it. Conditions to find whether the system of simultaneous equation is solvable or insolvable. First thing, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it is consistent, having only one solution. And if we draw the graph of these two equations, it will intersect at one point, and this coordinate of this point will be the value of x and y or solution set. Next, whether if it has many solutions, then what will be the conditions? If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then the equation is solvable, consistent, having infinite number of solutions. Means every solution will satisfy these two equations. If we draw the graph for these two equations, they will coincide, means one above another. They will coincide LM. Next, if a1 by a2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2, then the system of equation is inconsistent, having no solution. The graph of these two lines will be parallel to each other. They will never intersect, and if they never intersect, they will have no common solution, common point. Hence, these three conditions you must have memorized and keep them in memory in order to solve many problems based on these three. One thing keep in mind, A1 coefficient of x in equation 1, B1 coefficient of y in equation 1, C1 the constant term, A2 coefficient of x, A2 means coefficient of x in second equation, B2 coefficient of y in second equation, and C2 is the constant term, constant number. This is the three conditions for the to find whether the equation system of equations or simultaneous equation is solvable or not solvable. If solvable, then how many solutions it have, one or many. Now we will see the methods of solving simultaneous equation. But before it, I again ask you to subscribe the channel, like the video.